myself a new webcam. Black Friday. Normally $59, I guess. 20 now. At least that's what they say on the Amazon website. It's a cute little box. You guys all clean so you can see. Okay. 720p. I don't really want anything higher than that, because the higher you go, the higher your upload is, and it's just going to kill your live stream or whatever. So I decided to go with something a little bit lower. And I already have like a knockoff brand one, but all of a sudden it's like showing green all the time. So I figured I'll pick up this one, see what it's like. This is at least name brand, so it should be a little bit better. Just a bunch of fine print that they don't want you to read. Works with all different operating systems. Widescreen 720 video call, HD, that's in a different language. It's crisp HB video calls with 60-degree, whatever it wants to say. Noise reduction mic, HD webcam that goes beyond built-in. I don't know if you guys can hear that. USB type A. Comes with instructions, and this is the first time I've done an unboxing and forgot the knife. The unboxing knife. Okay. Do a real nice job on it, just in case I gotta return it. Yep, that's real nice. I haven't totally destroyed it yet. Perfect. Plug into computer. Step 1, unbox. Step 2, plug into computer. Figures that. Are there instructions going to be on the box? I think there'd be something. One thing I didn't really care for is this one don't have a cover on it. And I have had it accidentally left my camera on and done stuff before. Luckily, nothing was shown. Like how that's wrapped in there. Heck of a maze. Whoever designed that to fit in that box like that. That fit in the box. Nothing else in that side of the box. Got a startup guide over here. Nothing else there. C270 webcam. Very simple instructions. Mount it however you like. Up and down. Plug into computer. There's their software. Can't get any more simple than that. Let's not cut ourselves. Looks like we got about 6 foot of cable. That'll be nice and handy. About 6 foot. Again, it's the USB type A, I guess they're calling it now. I just call it the, I'm always going to put it in the wrong way. Looks like it's got a little fuse junction box right there. As we go and go and go, we make it to the device itself. Let's peel this off. Really nice finish on it. Definitely going to show fingerprints if I touch it a lot, which I always adjust it up and down. The microphone's in the front. Status indicator light. Again, it has no cover and it doesn't autofocus, so it says. So it's just standard focus. That's some sticky stuff there. I'm sure there was a proper way to take that off instead of me just ripping it like that. Really like how these mount to the back. Oh, that one's a bit just flimsy. So we got the, that's even flimsy. I can move it with the cord. That is way too flimsy. I don't figure that'll ever stay where I want it to be. I guess I don't have an earthquake in my house. That's pretty heavy duty there. Still pretty, oh, it's magnetic. Nice. No? Nope. It's not. Everything seems a bit, it feels high quality. Definitely the hinges are nice for a webcam. But they just don't feel stiff enough. I guess you need a little stiffen screw. Kind of like a GoPro or something. Cord comes out the rear, but it comes out above where it's mounted, so it shouldn't interfere. It's kind of nice. It's not coming straight out the top. Yeah. Not too much on that. If you guys watch my channel, this is going to be my new webcam for all my gaming videos. It's probably going to be my green screen camera. The one I have now is a knockoff and it works pretty good, so this should work a lot better. Yeah, and that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.
Bye.